Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everybody, today we're going to go over how to use a wax on your hood of your car here. So you're going to need obviously our wax, our applicator pad, and then a nice polishing cloth to take this off. What you want to do is apply a small amount to the pad. What I'll do is fold in so we can apply it over a more distributed area. You're going to take one small chunk at a time. What I'll do from there while that starts to set is start to move on to another area. So again, take a small amount. Fold in and apply. You want to put a same amount of pressure throughout the whole process. You don't want to dig deeper in some areas or put more product on in certain areas. It won't give you an even finish. If you're in an area that's hard to see where you finish, what you can do is just leave a small edge. For those who may not have as much experience, leave a small edge around the border of the area that you're going to work on. So if we finish, we could say, I know that I finished here, and move on beside that area. So, like we talked about, if we know that we stopped here, we'll draw a line, and we know that we were here and here. So as soon as we're done, we have two quick areas we can apply a little bit more wax to, and then blend those markers in. Always try to finely edge around plastic areas. We don't want to get any wax on that. And there you have that one side done.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.